Hello, in this video we'll talk about this. This LiPo balance charger, 3-cell LiPo balance charger. So if I plug it, we see the 3 LEDs going on, green. And I got this to charge this battery. This is the battery I use in the vacuum machine. You can see the project in which I installed this battery in the vacuum machine in this channel. So basically this has 2 connectors. One is for 3-cell batteries, the other one for 2-cell batteries. This is a 3-cell battery, we plug it here. That simple. We see the 3 lights going red because it's charging the 3 cells, and this is a balance charger, so it means it will charge the 3 cells at the same level at 4.2 volts. We see that now the 3 are red. For instance, if the central cell finishes first, this one, the cell number 2, will go green first. Before buying this, I checked a bit the market. I was about to buy the imax B6, which is more advanced than this. It has some LCD screen, and you can charge, I think, up to 7-cell batteries, something like that, and you can charge many chemistries. But actually, I just needed to charge this. So unless you do RC or this kind of things, you will not need to charge many different batteries. So this was quite cheap for this application. It's just €5. And the good thing is that it charges quite slow. It's at 800 milliamps. So this will prolong the life of our battery, which is rated at 40C. So this is basically nothing for the capacity of this battery. And I hope it will make the battery last much more cycles because it's not heating the battery up while it charges. So it's a quite good, compact and cheap charger. And I can say it charges at a good voltage. I checked the levels when it charges, it's precisely 4.2. So even if it's cheap, we can say it will not overcharge our batteries. And I also got this tester. You can check in some other video in this channel. I talk about this, but it's just to check what the state of our battery. So here we see it's charged at 43% now. So basically, getting this and this, we can do almost the same as if we get the imax B6, which is quite more expensive. And in addition, the imax B6 needs an extra power adapter. This is just a power plug that goes directly to the socket. So I hope you like this video. See you in the next video. Bye.